Very good morning to all of you. See, I'm still waiting for a few more students to join. So today we will wind up with cyclic codes, how we can design encoders and decoders for this. That we will see today. Which is a very important part of designing of your cyclic codes. So now, do you have any doubt in simplifying the numericals? Yes, student. Have you simplified the numerical? From Monday, your exams are starting. And see, students, today I will download your examination forms which were corrected, and then I will show you the forms. Then you can tell me the correction. Am I audible to all? Yes, students, am I audible to all? Okay. So today, see, I think you have designed 7,4 codes. This were the code having weight you have to find. Encoding, decoding process I have told you. Okay, now we will switch over to cyclic codes. You can see this numerical 11.30. Find a generator polynomial g of x for a 7,4 cyclic code. So how to find g of x for a 7,4 cyclic code? That we can find by factorizing 1 plus x to the power n. This we have discussed. Okay? So what could be the factors we have to find? Here the value of n is 7, so 1 plus x to the power 7. And the following factors are 1 plus x, 1 plus x cube, 1 plus x square plus x cube. So these are the three factors. Okay? But there could be, for higher values of n, there could be 4 to 5 factors. But then we have to decide which could be the generator polynomial. Because I have told you the basic conditions of generator polynomial. याद है किसी को? कल हमने बताया था कि क्या होती है basic conditions. Yes, students, do you remember? इन दो में से, इन तीनों में से कौन से दो जनरेटर पॉलिनोमियल्स होंगे ये हमें डिसाइड करना है. So 1 plus x cannot be the generator polynomial. It will be these two parameters. These two factors. This can be the generator polynomials for a 7,4 code. Okay, next numerical. Now we will try to simplify one numerical of cyclic code. Okay, that is you can write down the numerical constructor. Consider a 7,4 cyclic code with g of x 1 plus x cube. Okay, a part, let data word d is this, find the corresponding code word. ऐसा ही एक न्यूमेरिकल कल मैंने तुम्हें दिया था. ठीक है, I think I have given you one numerical. So have you completed that numerical, students? Please tell me. Yes or no? Have you completed that? What is the answer? Please mention in the chat box. नहीं किया किसी ने भी. ठीक है. So see student, you simplify this numerical with me. D1010. ठीक है, इसके लिए मुझे कोड वर्ड फाइंड करना है. Then B part, let the code word C find the corresponding data word. It's a systematic cyclic code. ठीक है. So there is no relationship between input and output. So I have to find from this code data word. So first d of x, I have told you yesterday how to represent d of x polynomial. Everything will be represented in the polynomial form. तो d of x you can write as 1 plus x square. क्या गिवन है? 1010. ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स, 1010 is given to you. So I will write d of x polynomial which will be equal to 1 plus x square, this, and this is one intermediate is your 0. So data polynomial is 1 plus x square. Now I have to find cx is equal to dx gx. Okay, this is the simplest method which is known as your non-systematic form. ठीक है, नॉन सिस्टमैटिक के लिए हम फाइंड करेंगे तो हमारा फॉर्मूला होता है cx is equal to dx into g of x. So simply what I will do, 1 plus x square will be multiplied by 1 plus x cube. Yes student, what I will get, 1 is multiplied by all these parameters, I will get 1 plus x cube. Then I will change the color of the pen. Then this x square will be multiplied by this whole term. So I will get x square plus x cube plus x to the power 5. ठीक है, this I will get. Then what I will do, I will find out the common terms. Common terms कितनी है इसमें students? ठीक है, then x cube की terms दो है ना, ठीक है, x square and then x to the power 5. So what answer I will get, 1 plus x square plus x 5. Who is waiting in the lobby? तो ये आ गया स्टूडेंट्स आंसर. ठीक है, so now you can see this answer. This is the answer. Now I will write the corresponding code word for this. How I will write the corresponding code word? Initial bits are 1, MSB 1, 1, 1. ठीक है, x square के बाद x cube, x to the power 4, x to the power 5 is there, 1. X to the power 6 is 0. So this is my code word designed for non-systematic form. ठीक है, then what is given कि cx equation में given है b part. Cx is given and I want to find the corresponding data polynomial. So what I will do, simply to find data polynomial, I will divide c of x by g of x to get d of x. तो polynomial division I think सबको आता होगा. It's very easy. Sorry, हाँ ठीक है, c of x and divide this. ठीक है, you will get the corresponding data word. Division का जो result होगा, that will be my data polynomial. So you can find out data word. Is it clear, student? This numerical. Moving ahead in this context, we will discuss. Okay, students, have you completed the numerical which I have given you? Now write down this numerical. Consider a 11.36. Consider a 7,4 cyclic code with the generator polynomial g of x. Let data word d 1010. Find the corresponding systematic code word. Find the corresponding systematic code word. अब कैसे सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे स्टूडेंट्स? कल हमने स्टेप्स देख ली थी. ठीक है, नाउ यू जस्ट नोट डाउन द स्टेप्स व्हिच आई एम टेलिंग टू यू. सबने न्यूमेरिकल लिख लिया है? So we will start. What is given to you in the question? Question given है तुम्हारा, consider a 7,4 cyclic code g of x and data word d is given, that is 1010. So I will first write down the data polynomial d of x is equal to 1 plus x square. ठीक है, n is 7, k is 4 and n minus k is 3. Is it clear? ठीक है, now next step, We all know. Students, please students, be on time. It really distracts me again and again. So next, what I have to do, students, I have told you the formula, how we have to find code word for a systematic cyclic code. Okay, so here what I will write. So what we will do over here, I have given you the formula x to the power n minus k d of x. ठीक है, which will be divided by g of x. ये हमने कल लिखा था formula. What I will get here, I will get a remainder polynomial and the quotient polynomial, which are the division results, and from those results we will find out the value of parity polynomial. ठीक है students? So now what I will do here, I will first multiply these two things, x n minus k d of x. तो what I will get, x n minus k सबको पता है कितना है, x cube into d of x. What is d of x? 1 plus x square. So what I will get, data polynomial is x cube plus x to the power 5. Just we have shifted the value. ठीक है, this is my d of x now. Not d of x, x to the power n minus k into d of x. Again. Okay, so now I will start dividing this terms. So what I will do here, x cube plus x to the power 5. I am finding out the division result. Okay, I am trying to find out division result. ये मेरा है x to the power n minus के d of x, और यहाँ क्या लिखना है मुझे, g of x, and g of x is 1 plus x cube. यही है given g of x, 1 plus x cube. ठीक है. So now we will divide these things and we will find out the code word. Okay, so student, what I will get, how I will divide, I will just tell you once how you have to divide. ठीक है, इसको तुम इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में भी लिख सकती हो, x to the power 5 and x to the power 3. That will be much better representation. Okay, so now here the highest power is x cube and the here highest power is x to the power 5. So to get x to the power 5, I will write x to the power 2. I will use a different color pen so you will not get confused. x to the power 2 से मैं मल्टीप्लाई करूंगी तो मुझे क्या मिल जाएगा, x to the power 5 plus x cube plus x square. Is it right, student? Similar terms will get cancelled out. ठीक है, here, and I will get at the output only x square. Subtraction takes place over here. ठीक है, तो I will get x square and we won't represent this minus because it is totally modular to arithmetic operation. See now student, x square is the term which is having power 2 and here in the division you are having the power 3. So we can't divide, we are having smaller number as compared to your g of x. So this is my remainder polynomial. ठीक है, r of x, and this is my quotient polynomial. तो मुझे रिमाइंडर भी मिल गया और क्वोशंट भी मिल गया. ठीक है, नाउ व्हाट आई विल डू, आई विल फाइंड द कोड वर्ड. और कोड वर्ड का फॉर्मूला मैंने लिखाया था स्टूडेंट्स, तुम्हें याद है, v of x कल लिखा था कॉपी में. डू एनीवन रिमेंबर व्हाट इज v of x? I will again write v of x is equal to r of x plus x to the power n minus k d of x. What is r of x here? X square. And what is x n minus k d of x? It is this value. ठीक है? So now I will write plus x to the power 3 plus x to the power 5. Clear? So this is my output. Now I know r of x और r of x तो x square है, तो इसको मैं कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करूंगी? 0 0 1. This is my r of x. ठीक है. Now v of x will be of 7 bit. I will get 0 0 1 1 0 1 0. This is my code polynomial design. And this is the way to find the cyclic code words. They can give you 4 to 5 data bits to find the code word. ठीक है. So construct a systematic cyclic code, and we have constructed it. Any doubt? Yes, students, any doubt? ठीक है. In continuation with this finishes your basic numericals. To find v of x, now we will design an encoder. There could be n number of numericals based on this. One more numerical you can see in the list. You can write this numerical. Let C be a 7,4 cyclic code with g of x given. Find a generator matrix G for C and find the code word D. अब क्या करना है? Little bit of twist is added in this numerical. G of x is given to you and you have to find the generator matrix. Generator matrix is used for linear block codes. Okay, cyclic codes use polynomials. Now we can convert this polynomial into generator matrix, and the method I have told you 2 days back in my class. So here you will multiply gx, x gx, x square gx, x cube gx, and you will write this g by shifting g of x. So you will get all the rows and columns. Okay, then I have told you for systematic LBC, I should get here. Do you have I matrix over here, student? Please tell me. यहाँ पे किसी को I matrix दिख रहा है क्या? Identity matrix नहीं. अगर मुझे systematic design करना है तो I have to find this identity matrix from this. So for that, what I will do, I will multiply. Add any of the rows to get that identity matrix. ठीक है. यहाँ पे कुछ मेंशन नहीं किया है तो इन्होंने नॉन सिस्टमैटिक वे से ही फाइंड कर दिया है. यू कैन सी इट्स अ नॉन सिस्टमैटिक. डी इज गिवन एज 1010. ठीक है. सो आई एम यूजिंग द जी विच आई गॉट ऑलरेडी. ठीक है. आई एम नॉट कन्वर्टिंग दिस जी. तो डी इंटू जी विल गिव यू दिस रिजल्ट. And you can see it's a non-systematic because first 4 bits of data and code word should be same, but it is not same. ठीक है. So this is a non-systematic in problem 11.31. We got the same answer. We can see 11.31 over here. This we simplified a non-systematic cx into ये जो हमने simplify किया था उसमें भी तुमको यही आंसर मिला था for data polynomial 1010. So it is a non-systematic way. So same thing we have done over there. तो ये मिल गया. इसको सिस्टमैटिक करने के लिए मैं क्या करूंगी स्टूडेंट? वापस आई एम रिपीटिंग. I want either this to be identity matrix or this to be identity matrix. तो मैं किसी को भी फाइंड कर सकती हूँ. G में मेरा पहले होता है k rows and n columns. Okay, k rows and n columns. I can XOR first row with the second row. 1 1 0 हो जाएगा. 0 1 1 and 1 0 will be 1. That will not go. यहाँ 1 आ जाएगा तो 1 0 0 you can get here. I k कितना होना चाहिए? 4. ठीक है. I k is your 4 cross 4 identity matrix. So you have to find that. Then you can design a systematic code. ठीक है students? Is it clear? Please reply. Am I audible to all? All these things we have discussed. So now we will move towards designing of encoders and decoders of cyclic code. And one more thing I will tell you before moving ahead, which is very important to discuss. Just wait. This thing. See, 7,4 cyclic code, 11.31 numerical जो हमने पहले किया था. Sequence is received. This sequence is received. Find the data word sent. I want to find the data word sent. Reverse operation. ठीक है, डिटेक्शन करना है और फिर मुझे डेटा वर्ड भी फाइंड करना है. ठीक है, ओरिजिनली डेटा विल बी सेंट एंड डेटा विल बी रिसीव. सो व्हाट इज द प्रोसीजर हियर? वी हैव टू फाइंड फर्स्ट सिंड्रोम पॉलिनोमियल. ठीक है, विच इज गिवन बाय एस एक्स इज इक्वल टू आर एक्स मॉड जी एक्स. ठीक है, आर ऑफ एक्स इज दिस 1 plus x 0 0 x 1 plus x square, then x to the power 5, x to the power 6. This is my x. Modulo करोगे, you will get x square plus 1 term. ठीक है, then assuming only one error occurred. ठीक है, because it becomes very complicated for 2 errors. And what is this? This is the remainder polynomial of rx by gx. ठीक है, रिमाइंडर पॉलिनोमियल आर एक्स और जी एक्स को डिवाइड करोगे तो तुम्हें एस ऑफ एक्स मिल जाएगा. ठीक है, यू कैन डू दैट. फिर वी आर अज्यूमिंग दैट ओनली वन एरर अकर्ड. देन फ्रॉम सिंड्रोम इवैल्यूएशन टेबल वी हैव, सी आई विल शो यू द सिंड्रोम इवैल्यूएटर टेबल. टेबल 11.8, because we should know, students, this table 11.5. Just wait, I will show you. 11.6. Syndrome evaluator table. This E of x क्या हो सकता है? Only one bit error we are considering. So it could be in the first bit, second bit, third bit, fourth bit. ठीक है, and these are represented in polynomial form. So 1 x, x square, x cube, x to the power 4 could be the error. ठीक है, in sequence we are moving. This is 2-bit error. 1 plus x square, 1 plus x cube. Then 3-bit error also we can draw the table. So 1 से x to the power 6. Now what we are doing? Sx 1 mod g of x mod g of x. What is the remainder? That is your syndrome. So this is syndrome evaluator table. Generally we have to draw this table at the detection side. तो कैसे ड्रॉ करना है ये मैंने बता दिया है तुमको. सारे एरर के लिए लोगे, सिंगल एरर ले रहे हैं तो हम सिर्फ x to the power 6 तक बनाएंगे. 1 mod g of x, ये कल भी मैंने बता दिया था तुमको बहुत अच्छे से. x mod g of x, x square mod g of x, you will get the remainder polynomial. That is my syndrome polynomial. ठीक है, जैसे हमने सिंड्रोम तुम्हारे उसमें भी कैलकुलेट किया था लीनियर ब्लॉक कोड्स में. ठीक है, so in continuation with this I am having, this is my remainder. कल ही हमने डिस्कस किया था. Remainder 0 means no error. If remainder is there, that means received vector is not same as the transferred vector. So how I will find the data polynomial? Data polynomial में तभी find कर सकती हूँ जब मेरे पास कोई error ही नहीं है. So we know that s of x is equal to 1 plus x square. I will draw this table. In table, I will search out where is 1 plus x square. In table, I will search out 1 plus x square. ठीक है, तो ये इसमें 1 plus x square मुझे यहाँ मिल रहा है. This location x6. ठीक है students, I will use a pen. x6 error 1 plus x square मेरा s of x है, उस पर मुझे error मिल रही है x to the power 6 bit में. ठीक है, the last bit is in error. So e of x I have designed from syndrome evaluator table. Now I know c of x is equal to r of x plus e of x. ठीक है, c of x is equal to r of x plus e of x. r of x is this whole bit. ठीक है, I will plus e of x, x to the power 6 add होगा, यहाँ पे already x to the power 6 था तो both will get cancel out and the original c of x is this. 1 plus x square plus x5. ठीक है. Now this could be converted into your data word. Okay, 1 1 1 0 0 1 0. सिर्फ लास्ट बिट में मेरा एरर था, उसको हम क्या करेंगे, 0. ठीक है, तो 1110010 is my original code word designed. Clear, students? Which is the original code word design. So I will get the result, and d of x में कैसे find करूंगी, c of x by g of x. So the data word is this. So this, while practicing, you can get all these parameters. That's that much easy, not tough. Okay. So now I will show you designing of encoder. Screen is visible to all students? Yes or no? Write down design an encoder. Design an encoder. For a 7,4 binary cyclic code generated by g of x, 1 plus x cube. Verify its operation. Verify its operation. Verify its operation using message vector. 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 0. Okay, it's not visible. Message vectors क्या थे तुम्हारे, 1 0 1 0 and 1 1 0 0. ठीक है, इसके लिए मुझे एनकोडर डिजाइन करना है. तो सबसे पहले एनकोडर डिजाइनिंग में आई विल कम टू नो दैट k is 4, n is 7, n minus k parity check bits are 3. Now to perform this division operation, because I want to find the code polynomial for the data vector 1010 and 1100. So I need to find out this 3 parity check bits. For that I have to divide. We have seen the theoretical way. Now what is the practical approach? How to implement this designs? These designs can be implemented by using the digital electronic circuitries. So start drawing, student. इसमें हमको ये पता चल रहा है कि G0 और G1 और लास्ट बिट तुम्हारी 1 है. This G0, G1, G2 is 0 and G3 is this. We all know K is of 4 bits. तो ये मेरा सबसे पहला हो जाएगा G0. ठीक है, then again I am having G1. Adder will be used over here. One shift register. ठीक है, that is R0 shift register. This is my input, this is my output. Then I will be having R0 bit आ गया, उसके बाद मैंने R1 bit फाइंड की. R1 input, R1 output. Then again see student, G2 link is 0. G2 is equal to 0. ठीक है, and here I will have a gate for opening and closing. This is my R0, R1, R2. Here R2 output will be equal to R1, sorry, input will be equal to R1 output. Is it clear, students? Here I will get R2 output. ठीक है, is it clear? Again adder will be there. ठीक है, I will use a two-way switch from where I will give input also. This is my output value और this is my input message value. ठीक है, और this input will be fed back to the system and this is the adder. This is your message inputs. ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स, ये डिजाइन कर लिया. डिजाइनिंग इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट and it's very easy also. That is easy also. Now what we have to do, we have to calculate the values. ये सबने बना लिया स्टूडेंट? Keep it in your copy because I am shifting to new slide and you will continuously require this. Finished? Should I move ahead? Yes or no? Yes, student, finished. Okay. So now, see, similar reverse way you can design your decoder also. Okay, we will just discuss encoder. Now what I can do, I will write down the equations. I will draw the table first. ठीक है, टेबल में सबसे पहले मैं लिखूंगी इनपुट बिट्स. ठीक है, अच्छा ठीक है, नहीं हम ऐसा करते हैं, पहले शिफ्ट्स डालते हैं. हाउ मेनी शिफ्ट इज रिक्वायर्ड. ठीक है, सबसे पहला शिफ्ट. Then in the table I will mention bits, input bit. ठीक है, that is your data bit D. ठीक है, then I will write the register input values, the previous values, register input values. ठीक है, रजिस्टर इनपुट वैल्यूज. रजिस्टर की इनपुट वैल्यूज क्या है स्टूडेंट्स? इट इज R2 इनपुट, R1 इनपुट, R0 इनपुट. ठीक है, इज इट ओके? देन आई विल राइट रजिस्टर output. What are the output values? As a clock signal, sorry, this is R1 and this is R0. These are my output values. ठीक है, and this is my complete table. Shift, initial shift पे तो कुछ हम डालेंगे ही नहीं values. सबसे पहले हम all registers will be reset, 0 we will add. ठीक है, after that initial value हम with the just clock cycle will be on. ठीक है student, that time we are considering that no value is given. Initial values of registers will be 0 0 0. ठीक है, all are cleared. ठीक है, then I will transfer the first bit, that is 1, second bit 0, then third bit 1, then fourth bit 0. We are doing for data bit 1 0 1 0. Okay, initial values are same, 0 0 0. ठीक है, now what will be my output values? मुझे R0 R1 R2 पैरिटी चेक बिट्स फाइंड करने इस डेटा बिट के साथ पुट करने के लिए टू जनरेट माय कोड वर्ड. ठीक है, कोड पॉलिनोमियल C of X. तो आई वांट टू फाइंड द रिमेनिंग बिट्स. ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स, सो नाउ स्टूडेंट्स व्हाट वी कैन डू, we can find out the equations also. कि आउटपुट क्या है? You can see your designing. R2 out is your output. Am I right? R2 out is my output of this encoder. ठीक है? Now R0 input. What is R0 input? You can see the diagram. Input is the addition of R2 0 plus your input message data bit D. ठीक है? Then my input 1 is the output RO plus RO input. ठीक है? RO input जो G1 पे जाएगा वो RO input ही जा रहा है तुम्हारा. ठीक है? तो RO output plus RO input. Then R2I. You can see the diagram. It is same as R1 output. D message bits move to the shift register by shift operation. At every clock cycle, the output will be, the shift register data will be changed. So now I will find that, you can see students, this is my input side, this is my output side. Okay, and at every shift, this will be shifted. At every shift, this output will be shifted. Okay, students? So here, now I will start simplifying. 0 0 0 है तो R2 इनपुट. R2 इनपुट क्या है? R1 आउटपुट. R1 आउटपुट इनिशियली क्या है? All zeros. No output is generated. Then one bit is shifted to first register R0. R0 से कैसे आएगा? इनपुट मैसेज बिट D of X जहां से जा सकता है तुम्हारे डायग्राम में. You can see the encoder diagram. So it will be available at G0 bit. Whatever is the input. ठीक है, that will be available at that bit. तो R2I क्या है मेरा? R1 output. What is my R1 output? Is R1 output is 0. So I will write 0 over here. ठीक है students? This bit will be written over here because R2 input is equal to R1 output. After that R1 input में क्या हो जाएगा? R1 input will be my addition of RO output. What is RO output? It is 0. It is 0. ठीक है, यहाँ मैं नीचे लिखती जाती हूँ तुम्हारी वैल्यूज. R1 input. R1 input पे क्या आएगा मेरा? ROO. Previous one, okay, which is 0. Plus ROI. What is my ROI? ROI क्या है स्टूडेंट? कौन बता सकता है मुझे? What is ROI? Yes, please write down in the chat box. Today the class is very dull, I think. No one is responding very properly. I am putting 100% efforts to complete your topics, to explain you the things which are really very complicated. But you are not at all simplifying the numericals. तुम कुछ भी आउटपुट नहीं दे रहे हो तो डोंट एक्सपेक्ट एनीथिंग. तो आरओ इनपुट ऑफ शिफ्ट रजिस्टर क्या होगा? व्हाट इज द आरओ इनपुट? दैट इज 1. आरओ इनपुट 1 है. Here I will get 1. I will put 1 over here. उसके बाद RO input. RO input is my R2 output plus data bit D. Plus data bit D. Is it okay? ठीक है ना? तो यहाँ पे मुझे वापस 1 मिल जाएगा. ठीक है, then at the output again I will get the same bit. Then what I will do here? 0 is added. ठीक है, 0 is added over here. तो अब नेक्स्ट वैल्यूज कैलकुलेट करके बताओ स्टूडेंट्स मुझे. प्लीज कैलकुलेट नेक्स्ट वैल्यूज. डू इट फास्ट. आई विल टेल यू वेदर इट इज राइट और नॉट. तो कैलकुलेट. Yes, students. What is the value? Next value will be सी क्लॉक पल्स चेंज होगी तो ये डेटा तुम्हारा जो इनपुट में था वो आउटपुट में आ जाएगा. ठीक है. इट इज वेरी गुड आंसर. इट इज 110. नेक्स्ट क्लॉक पल्स में 110 हो जाएगा. वेरी गुड. फिर नेक्स्ट बिट हम 1 देंगे तो क्या मिलेगा मुझे? नेक्स्ट आंसर विल बी this. You can check. Again, next answer is this. So, student, at last I will get this parity check bits at the output 0, 1, 1. Okay, now the code vector for your 0. What is your data bit, student? It is 1, 0, 1, 0. 1, 1, 0, 1, 0. ठीक है. ये मेरा डेटा पॉलिनोमियल था. Now, what is my code word? Code word will be ये बिट्स जो मुझे मिली है. ठीक है. इसको तुम कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करोगे? दीज आर माय n माइनस के लास्ट बिट्स. ठीक है. पहले डेटा पॉलिनोमियल आ जाएगा 1 0 1 0. उसके बाद तुम्हारा आ जाएगा 0 1 1 n माइनस के बिट. तो दिस इज माय कोड वेक्टर डिजाइन. ठीक है. दिस इज माय कोड वेक्टर डिजाइन. और अगर पैरिटी चेक बिट्स पहले लेते हो तो इट विल बी 0 1 1 देन 1 0 1 0. ठीक है. 0 1 1 आर माय पैरिटी चेक बिट्स. देन द डेटा पॉलिनोमियल d ऑफ x. वैसे यही आएगा तुम्हारा आंसर क्योंकि हम पहले हमारा पैरिटी चेक बिट ले रहे हैं एंड देन वी आर टेकिंग अवर input data. So this completes your numerical. You can find syndromes also. Syndrome is calculated at the receive side. ठीक है. You can design a syndrome and decoder also. तो उसमें रिसीव वेक्टर को डालोगे और कंटेंट्स ऑफ फ्लिप फ्लॉप लिखोगे एंड यू विल गेट द सिंड्रोम वैल्यू. ठीक है. डायरेक्टली यू विल गेट द सिंड्रोम वैल्यूज. So student, this completes your designing of encoder and decoder. Now what you have to do here, you have to check for the second data. That is 1 1 0 0. ठीक है. इसके लिए तुम अब डिजाइन करोगे. This is your homework. And I will tell you regarding your examination form. So those who are having correction, please join that class which I will schedule now. So all right, students, please take care. And if you have any doubts, you can ask me today or on Monday. Okay, related with this. So overall syllabus is completed. Just one topic is left that we'll discuss later on. So goodbye, students. Take care.